Hi everyone, this is another video tutorial that I'm making that I've been asked from a couple of people to make. I'm just showing you some more commands to use with ADB. I've already made one video before showing you how to get into recovery and download mode with ADB, where we asked to show a few more things with it. So here we go. If you watch my other video, it'll show you how to install ADB, but basically it just wants to be on your root of your C drive. Which is the Android SDK folder. The folder that we're going to be interested for this is the platform tool folder. I'll get to why we need that folder in a bit. So once you've got it all installed and everything, go to your start menu and type in CMD, which will bring up this. Now we're going to want to navigate to this platform tools folder, which is on the c-cd space c./ Android SDK platform tools, and that brings us to that. First thing that I'll show you is how to list APKs and stuff that you've got in different directories on your phone. So we'll go for third-party apps, which is stored in data in app folder on your phone. So you're going to want to do ADB shell ls, which means list, and then /data/app. Press enter. And there you go, it's put up a list of all the different APKs that are on us. The data app folder is for third-party apps, stuff that's downloaded through Marketplace, that sort of thing. And then there's also system app, which is stuff that's already installed on your system. But you need to be careful what you're playing about within that, because you could delete something like, I don't know, say your keyboard. And if you delete that from your system app, obviously you're not going to be able to text. So be careful what you're playing about with in that one. For this one, we'll play about with, for the sake of this tutorial, we'll play about with Launcher Pro, which is the com.fed.launcher one. So I'll show you how to pull that from your phone onto your computer. So you're going to want to go ADB pull /data/app/ and then you're going to want to put the name of the APK, and it's got to be exactly the same. It's case sensitive, so make sure that you get it right. So it's com.fed.launcher1.apk. If you're looking there at the minute, there's no Launcher Pro. This is where we start using this folder a little bit. So if I press enter on that, hopefully it'll pull it through onto the other screen. And there it is. It's pulled it across, it's copied it onto his computer. You know if it's worked or not because it'll come up there showing you how many bytes it's transferred in how many seconds. So basically you know that it's pulled it if it's done that. If you had an APK on your computer that you wanted to push to your phone, I'll show you how to push in a minute. All you'd want to do, which is why I said we need this folder, put the APK onto your computer and then just copy it into this platform tools, and then we can push it to his phone. Now I'll show you how to delete an APK, because I'll delete it and then I'll push it back onto the phone again. So you're going to want to go ADB shell rm, which is remove, and /data/app/com.fed.launcher1.apk. Okay, enter. Now it won't say anything, but it'll do it. It doesn't say like remove successful or anything like that. But if you want to check, then just do the ADB shell list again. And you'll see that it's disappeared now. It's not at the bottom anymore. So we know that that's gone. Okay, so we've got it there. So now let's push that folder back to his phone. So ADB push. Push that APK, should I say, not folder. Push. Now you've got to type the name of the APK, which is com.fed.launcher1. Space and then data app, and then you've got to type the name of the APK again. So you've got to type it twice to push it. That APK, and that should hopefully push it back onto his phone again. There you go. 3496 kilobyte blah blah transferred in that amount of time. Again, if you want to check it, ADB shell ls / data / app, and there you are. It's come back up at bottom again now. So that's how you pull, delete and push apps from your phone. What else can I show you? The last one that I'll show you is how to make a new directory on your SD card. So say you want to make a new folder on your SD card for whatever reason you wanted to do it through this. What you'd have to do is go ADB shell, then mk, which is make directory basically, and then / sdcard, and then let me just get my phone so it's buried under all this crap, and then we'll call it example folder. So if we go into my files, and you can see there's no example folder there at the minute. So come back out of that. If I press enter on that, now if we go back into that, whoops. There you are, example. So that's how you make one. That's how you can make a new folder. I think that's about it really. I don't think there's anything else to show you. Oh, there's one more. I'll not actually do it, but I'll show you how it's done, just in case anybody wants to do it for whatever reason. I'll show you how to move. Like, say we're playing about with Launcher Pro, I can show you how to move it from data to your SD card. So what you want to do is go ADB shell MV, which is move, and then data app, name of it, which is com.fed APK space, and then you want to go SD card / name it folder, where you're moving it to. I've just deleted that example folder, so if I pressed enter on that now, it'd just basically move it onto the root of my SD card. And I think that's about all there is that I can show you really. If you've got any questions or anything else that you'd like to know, give me a shout and I'll try and help you best I can. Thanks.